Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Gemini trading strategy for 2026. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to trade on Gemini in 2026, a strong strategy is to combine dollar cost averaging for long-term holdings and short-term trading on high-volume coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So use recurring buys to steadily build position while tracking advantages of Gemini's limit and stop order for short-term trade to manage risk and lock in profit. Also diversify across a few altcoins with solid fundamental, track market trend, and avoid emotional trading. Keep security top of mind by enabling 2FA and using a secure wallet for large holding. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more fast crypto strategy, and comment which Gemini trade setup you are planning for in 2026. And that's it.